Okay, we have a Southwestern Industries Proto-TRAK CNC Toolroom Lathe, model TRL 1440ELX, serial number 143DH935. This machine was new in 2014 and we're going to run it for you. Machine has a TRAK ELX control. He's running right now the cross slide. You have 14-inch swing by 40-inch centers. You have 7 inches of cross slide travel. He's running now the carriage left and right. Okay. You can also run it with the hand wheels. When you run it with the hand wheels, it becomes a digital readout. We do have 4 of these machines right now in stock. It's original paint, came out of a school. That's your X. Z, I'm sorry, that's your Z. And we're gonna run the spindle. You have 12 speeds from 60 up to 2400 RPM. That's 225. Machine comes equipped with a 5C lever type collar closer, a 3-jaw chuck, a Dorian quick change tool post, and a drill chuck. It's 120. Spindle brake, we're gonna go to another range. That's a higher range. $1,700 RPM. Okay, so you've seen low, medium, high ranges. That's your tailstock. Your tailstock's number 3 Morse taper with 5 inches of travel. Okay. All right, I think you've seen it. Thank you for watching our video.